Hey RC fans, this is RC Engineer. Just to let you know some of the things I had done. As you know, as you see in my previous video of the old RC car that I just recently purchased was the WL Toys A979, and this is the original body that it comes with. Comes in a box and everything and all. I got it for about about $60, which is not bad. But this is what I wanted to show you. In the previous video, I showed you the truck that is made out of construx that I had ever since I was a kid, and this is the finish of it. As you can see, I was saying this is my design of the truck body and everything. Look like a truck on stilts, but it's kind of weird because you know you got the bottom plate on the bottom and so on. Not to mention, I had fitted with a LiPo battery, which is inside. As you see in the back of it, this is the LiPo battery, and I stuck it in there, did all the wiring underneath the vehicle, as you can see right here. And not only that, I have my old LiPo, my old other LiPo, which is smaller, just sitting on the side as a backup. Well, just to let you know, I mean, the performance is great, but the purpose of me doing this in the construx, right, is basically to show you this, to go ahead and crash it up and show you what a real accident's really like. I mean, stay tuned just for a moment. I will definitely give you a demonstration of it. But other than that, I mean, it still runs good. The body and stuff is pretty heavy, but it still tugs the car pretty fast, I'll say. Not to mention the long battery life the LiPo gives. That's up at the top. But I mean, like I said, let me give you a demonstration. As you can see, I'm going to give you a full demonstration of what the accident looked like. As you see, I gave you a full view of what an accident looked like with a construx. Which is a cool thing. Enough to scare the hell out of the cat. What? This is what it is. I'll show you. It gives you a good front-end collision of what it looks like. I'm saying, of course, you got my victim inside of here. I'm saying, well, I mean, that's the reason why I made this body out of construx, because when you crash it, it falls apart. Not to mention, I can put it back together again. That's the best thing. Some parts might snap off and all, but like I said, I got a whole lot of these things that I could go through. Alright? Now, the purpose of me building this body with construx is mainly for the accident. I'm able to protect the chassis, maybe the wheels and all. And I'm saying when I get into a bad accident and so on with this, for the vehicle or whatever. Well, it's mainly just for crashing and everything, and me taking it apart and putting it back together and restoring it. You know what I'm saying? Here's the vehicle, as you see right here. And we're doing another crash test. You know what I'm saying? Which is a fun part about RCs. Anytime you drive an RCs, you know what I'm saying? Many times it's meant to be broken. You know what I'm saying? But that's the fun part of it, okay? Not to mention, like I said, it's not that expensive. It's expensive to repair. But here's our take on the next crash, alright? 1, 2, 3. Let's see what kind of damage we got this time. We got the victim still in there. Oh, it hit the cat water. And we lost the front completely. He's still in there. His head might have been turned, but you know what I'm saying, his head might have been turned, but he's still in there, as you can see. You know what I'm saying, but yeah, I mean, this is all about is crashing. I mean, we might do another take on this. See if we crash again. See what the next results might be. don't know. I missed this time. I didn't throw the steering off or anything like that. I don't know. We'll see if we'll be alright, hopefully. Let's see how interesting it look now. Now we're bringing it back. I mean, it's still fully operational. The wheels are still able to turn. I'm still able to drive, though. Well, we'll take a closer look at it. Pieces falling off and everything and all. As I completely zoom out, this is what it really looks like. You know what I'm saying? The whole front's missing, the whole front end is missing. But it can be rebuilt. You know what I'm saying? As you know, these pieces just snap on together and all. But that's the fun part about having a construx body. You know what I'm saying? When you get in an accident, it's like it's real live. Everything just falls apart. You know what I'm saying? And you're just rebuilding. Just to do it again. You know what I'm saying? Well, other than that, my partner, who was inside, who was the victim, has survived. Both crashes. Alright. Well, this is it for today with this. I'm going to put it right back together again and we'll take it outside for the dirt for a spin. You know what I'm saying? As for now, we'll see you next time. Evaluation what the accident looked like after doing a couple of crashes. Basically the 3 crashes I did in this video. As you can see, the front is missing. You know what I'm saying? Completely. That's all in pieces right next to that. Not only that, you go around, you see some parts and stuff that may be out of place. Pretty much like this, for example, that's completely out of place. Alright, the back is completely out of place, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? That's completely out of place. Now you can see some of the significance of what an accident can actually do. You know what I'm saying? Basically the parts that are snapping on and everything. Even to at the top of the vehicle, you know what I'm saying? It did some structural damage to some of these pieces and all. Well, I mean, just to let you know, like I said, I mean, this truck is pretty fast. And I mean, when it impacted and all, it shifted everything out of place, including the battery. The battery was completely tucked in. That's out of place. Not to mention the top plate is gone. You know what I'm saying? This is completely out of place and all. This is the damage effects of basically running the car into an object. But that's just mainly the fun part of having a construx body on an RC car. I mean, the RC car is still in good shape. It's still in good tact and all that kind of stuff. No damage or anything was done to the RC car, whereas I got to buy new parts and all. But mainly the one that suffered the most was basically the body, the construx body, which I can pretty much repair with no problem, with no expense or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? But that's just one of the beautiful things of having this old toys around that's not being used barely, but I found some good use out of it. Had these toys for damn near 20 years, but now I'm making some good use out of it though. Some good stuff. Alright.